Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm up here just about to run some errands and then I'm about to head to work. Just wanted to touch bases with you guys. And so anyway, welcome back, guys, to my channel. I'm just running around before I have to go into work today. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. And I'm actually about to head to probably the Walgreens or CVS. I need to get a battery for my watch and stuff and try to run a little errands. Today is Saturday morning. Hey, we had a really good week this week, guys. Put out some good videos. You know, and that's what I'm striving for, man, is try to put out the best content that I possibly can put out, especially during this time here, because like I said, it's not a lot of stuff going on. There still isn't a lot of car shows going on. So I'm just trying to put out some really good stuff, man. So basically, I hope you guys are enjoying the builds and stuff and my projects that I've been working on. And actually today, you guys are about to get into episode 11 of the build with the 1953 panel truck. And for you guys that are new to the channel, this is Classic Chevys with CJ the Cigar Man. So welcome, guys. So we're about to try to switch it up a little bit. I've been doing a lot of rapping with my material and stuff. And you know, I'm gonna do something today that I like to do and that I enjoy. And this is really is a different part of you know, the classic cars and stuff like that, and going to the car shows. This is another hobby of mine that I love to do, and it's actually woodworking. So we are about to start working on my center console for my 53 panel truck. And this console is going to be different, totally different. I just been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and there wasn't not just one that just stood out. So I would give a shout out, you know, to if I was just watching one video, but I've been watching so many different YouTube videos on how to make center consoles. But this center console is going to be like a 3D center console, and so I'm excited about it. I'll be using a router and stuff like that for my design, and I will also be putting some LEDs inside of the console. I have some switches for my power windows and stuff. I got 2 side power windows, and also I got switches in the back that'll be controlling my rear seats in the back of the bed. So I'm excited, guys. We got a lot of stuff going on and stuff. And without further ado, let's get into this video and watch episode 11, building the center console of the build. Alright, guys, let's get into this rapping with this center console. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I got the music turned down a little low. So first thing I do is get my template. That first little white foam board is just a template I always use. This is some 1/4-inch board that I actually got from the big box stores. You guys know who they are. Like I said, that center console is going to be fitting a little tight. So I put that on the router, made my design, and then I just you know, used the router to cut out my holes. As you see, I made this like a 3D pattern. This is actually the first time I've ever done a 3D console. So let's see how she turns out, man. Now doing this, I actually also had to use just a very little Bondo for the seams, and I staggered those cups there for my cup holders. I wasn't too sure if I was gonna have enough room for that, but I got everything to fit. The fitment looked pretty good in it, and it's a lot of space in there as well. Alright, let's go over some of the options that I did with this center console. I'll point them out to you. I still have to do the top piece. And I do the back piece back there where my air vents go. Got my 2 cup holders, 2 switches. I got my USB port, and I also have my radio right there, and I'll let it be wrapped. Got my switches for my window and my window regulators. My speaker box there, that'll be wrapped. I got 2 speakers in the front, and I got 1 speaker that'll be in the rear of that console. And it's still open there. I will box that off. That way it'll sound a lot better. And you see the little smiley faces on there. Whenever I learned that you put smiley faces whenever you're using a router, so you won't cut upside down or backwards. Now, if you guys want to know the exact dimensions and everything, just write a comment down below, and I will definitely put those in a comment as well if you guys are interested in maybe, hey, making you guys a center console. So it was fun to make, guys. It really was, and I think she's gonna turn out good. All right, so this here is actually where I made some hinges for my center console. Opened up towards the driver's seat there. That was a little complicated to make. I kept adjusting and using it. Thank goodness I didn't have to drill too many holes. And that piece will be wrapped two-tone. I will actually make a little slot that my phone can fit in up top, because I always have a problem with my phone sliding all over the place. So I said, this one here, I want to make sure I make a little design so my phone can fit up in there while it's charging. And this is just something that's my little design that I like to put on my trucks, and you can make your console or fabricate it any way you want. And I also put switches there for my windows, up and down windows, and the 2 little buttons down there for my LEDs. I'm actually gonna light this baby up so she'll look really nice at nighttime. Right, actually picked me up a battery. Just got through. I went to CVS first. They didn't have it. I tell you, it's crazy how these competitors. I don't know if it's like this in your guys' town, but here it's like you got a CVS, and of course you got Walgreens right across the street. So CVS didn't have it with my battery. So I said I just walk across the street. Maybe they either get lucky. But it's like that everywhere. I'm just glad it's not like that in my business, man. You know, you gotta sit across the street. But it used to be back in the day, you know. They go over there. Glare. So, actually, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Episode 11 of the 1953 Chevy panel truck build. The console is, you know, basically you can do anything you want to with the console. I decided to go the route that I went, and I think it's going to turn out great. You know, we're about to, in episode 12, we're going to go ahead and get into wrapping this console. So, hopefully everything will jive together. You know, I kind of just made up off the top of my head just a different type of pattern. And it was kind of, it's kind of hard to actually get a nice console built because it's so tight in between my seats and stuff. So that's the only issue that I had. And I guess if I would have done it differently, I'm not sure if I would have done it like recessed as far as like a 3D, because it's just, the boards are kind of thick, you know, to work with and everything. But I think it turned out pretty good. And like I said, in the next episode, we're going to start wrapping that center console and also the outer console as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And if you got a good cigar and a fast car truck, smoke them if you got them, baby.